guys, welcome back. We're in the Bentley and we might be going to get another fun car, so we're gonna go check it out. Been hearing about this car. One of my buddies has it for sale, so he wants to check out the Bentley, and we're gonna check out this car. Kind of already liking it. I hadn't even seen it yet, but had to take the top off. It's a really nice night out here. Boost weather is approaching. Just wrapped up the Evo last night. Finally got it back together. We still got some odd ends to figure out, and we should be good to go. But I'll be dropping that video here soon, so you can see our definite struggles working with that car. My God, we've had the transmission out 3 times in 3 days. It's rough, but I'll see that car here in a second. Yo, boy. Yeah, I talked to him earlier. So, see what this thing sounds like. Yeah, that does sound good. For real.
It gets angry, right? If you get the revs up to like 5,000-6,000. Man, you rev it up, go ahead.
I like how the demon symbol comes up in the background.
Yeah,
that is
sweet.
Pretty dope. Pedals are so close together.
The speakers are like unbelievable too, by the way.
Same room, I don't like to be wrong, which I know you relate to, and I know I make you feel like you're at the end of your rope.
Real good.
Yeah.
This is the best sound of speakers I've ever heard in a Dodge, just for damn sure. You don't expect that out of
Well, it is like, that's a short throw shifter. I like
factory.
it though.
That's cool.
That's crazy.
I like it. You know, these are electronic too. This is a little spring-loaded handle. It is.
Oh, I see it. I hear it now.
Like the Corvettes, I guess.
Yeah.
It's pretty wild.
Raise the steering wheel up.
Yeah, you got pretty fine control over that. It was a little too low for me too. I bumped it up, so.
I don't know which way to go out. Back that way, maybe.
Let's go ahead and go. Yeah, we'll go left here at the stop sign. And the first gear is long, so that means you gotta give it a little gas, get it going.
Yeah, I see. It's fucking. It's a tall ass
70
gear.
fucking miles an hour in first gear.
I hate this bush right here.
You're good.
All right.
Down slow.
It kind of reminds me of like the ZR1 gearing.
Yes.
You know, it's really, really long gears, even from the first and second point.
Have you driven one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah. This car feels like it handles better than a Corvette. I had Corvettes, of course. I like them, but they don't get as much attention as this does.
Oh no.
There's so many out there. You don't see one of these every day.
Not at all.
That was a good takeoff. Very nice. You know what you do there. It's very nice to throw.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. This motherfucker knows how to shoot gears.
Yep. I love it. Yeah, that first gear is long. I could be in first right now.
Yeah, you could.
Like
On a racetrack, you probably would be.
it is. Yeah, it's at 2,000 RPM.
Oh, you can do 100 miles an hour in 6, it'll be a 2,000. Literally. I was fucking with a Mustang on my way over here at 5.0.
Me too.
Really? That's funny. I pulled up next to him, he looked at me, he was like, oh, fuck that. He was like, nah. He hit it for a second, and I fucking capped him by like 3 Greyhounds. He was like, oh, fuck that.
Well,
Those are like the new pick-on cars.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Kaya pulled up on me. I was
That's
like,
fucking great.
don't let this big car fool you, man. It'll get down.
Yeah, it will. How many horsepower is that bitch?
600.
Is it really that fucking much? Jesus.
Yeah.
I know that Rolls Royce I got like 620. It's probably about neck and neck.
Oh, yeah. I think they got the same engine.
No, Rolls is V12. That's W12.
Yeah, that one's W12. Yeah, the Rolls is V. You're right.
But it's about to be running though.
Hell yeah.
A few more little things I gotta do to it. I gotta sell that motherfucker though. You don't see one of them every day around here either now.
Oh, no. And is that one is that a rate?
Yeah, it is. 16 rate, 20,000 miles.
Hell yeah. Gotta do it for the snap one time.
No, go ahead, bro. Done all you want. You have to turn the lights off for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Bentley Viper.
It's that GT.
Hell yeah.
That snake.
It feels good. It kind of.
It does feel really balanced, honestly. It doesn't feel like it's too rough. It's very sporty, but it's still, you're not pulling your back up, you know?
That does feel It's a lot more tame in the power band than I thought it would be too.
It is.
Yeah.
It's like you hit it, and then you're like, okay.
Yeah. It's almost like this big V10 got boost.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
No, if you boost this motherfucker, Jesus Christ.
What is this dude doing? Like, really?
Bro, boosting this motherfucker is fucking
I've seen those Calvo Vipers, man. I've seen them in person at TX2K.
Crazy.
Yeah,
they got them to where they hook pretty good too with the fucking tires on there.
Yeah, those things.
This has launch control too, by the way. You hit that launch button and you fucking floor it and dump the clutch, it does the rest for you. It's pretty cool.
Validity.
I haven't done it, but Rudy's done it before, I think.
I know he's tried it out.
Yeah, you know that motherfucker. So what you got now? You got that Evo, you got that Bentley, what else?
I have an RX-7.
Yeah, that's right. You got RX-7 too.
I still got
some cars, man. Shit.
Yeah, I still have 2 Fox bodies too.
Wow.
Yeah.
I remember we used to come out to the races all the fucking time. Now we're grown up, we don't go anymore. But now we really got some shit we should be showing up.
It's true.
It's crazy.
And I go out there every now and again, but it's like, you know, like so far and few in between that I go. It's like hardly ever. This dude pulled right up on my ass.
Yeah. People always thought, what the fuck is that? Oh shit, that's a Viper.
Like, really, dude?
So you're a fucking Evo? How much? What is it? Is it stupid fast?
Yeah.
How many horsepower is it?
All right, Viper start action.
Oh, and the AC don't work, by the way.
Really?
I'm just fucking with you.
I was about to say, what? Like, man, get out of here. I knew you was playing.
You can cash at me or PayPal me, bro. I ain't tripping.
We'll know in a heartbeat.
Uh-oh.
We ain't there yet.
Oh, shit.
We ain't there yet. Down here, we'll find out.
You heard it. I think you heard it the first time we was pulling out.
It was down here.
Yeah. Because it flexed the whole body a little bit right there.
Mm-hmm.
Got the owner's manual here too. The original book. Alright.
Oh no! You might have this. It ain't looking too good for the home team.
No, it ain't. Dallas Cowboys are losing this bitch.
We'll take it around the loop.
You just want an excuse to drive this motherfucker some more.
True.
I'm like,
But it would be crazy if that was the brace that was moving that much.
That was it. You can see the paint on the top.
Yeah.
No, that's all it is. It's
Yeah, I can see it.
Every time when it flexes. That's all it was.
Let's stay on the service road.
And you're quiet little motherfucker.
The visibility in this thing kind of sucks.
Bro, this motherfucker don't make a fucking sound, bro. It's quiet as shit. You owe me, bitch.
Yeah, you owe him big time.
It is all brand new again. You still owe me, no problem. Alright, we're about to pull back in. It's quiet as fuck, bro. It has not made one noise.
Yeah, ain't made a single creak.
He said you can't find a flaw in this motherfucker besides that's the only thing that you can point out.
Hell yeah.
Point out one more, we're gonna drop the price 10 grand on this motherfucker. Bro, it's perfect.
Don't make me get to looking.
He's like, you pull out a microscope and
You said 10 grand about me. Don't make me get to looking. That's what the motherfucker really be looking and shit. I gotta look. Look like how some of the rental car places be looking at your shit.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be hard to fault this bitch, man.
It's true.
Usually when cars get put back together, you can always find something. Bro, every single screw is the right screw. Like, it's so right. Like, he didn't fuck anything up. Wish there was no fucking traffic opening this bitch up again.
Yeah, no.
Well, that was an easy fix.
Yeah.
I told you it wasn't nothing serious. Did I not say? We were sitting in the car and I said, the fucking brace, the strut brace.
You did.
I heard that shit before in a Beamer when you leave it loose. That's that shit.
You could definitely hear it pop, and I think that was just from every time the body flexed, it was moving the brace back and forth.
It did it pulling up into the bumps and shit.
Yeah. Hell yeah, I looked at it twice. I was like, I ain't finna do that shit again. I was like, cause I sure did it the first time. I was like,
bro, tomorrow's the races, bro. I haven't been in so long. I feel like I'm gonna go. Damn, I got my key back. That's alright. She's gonna go to sleep. Like Vanessa, watch her eyes. Nothing. Yeah, that's good. It would have done it right there for sure.
I'm sure it would have done it right there. I just heard it. Did you hear it pop?
Yeah, this was just stretching out or something.
We'll loop it around.
Drive around a little more, yeah.
Yeah, let's just go this way.
Yeah, that's good.
I think it's good.
That's good.
Because it would have done it again.
It probably, like, you know, it was resting a little differently when I set it down, and it might have had to just fucking stretch stuff out. Yeah, that's good. It would have done it real out there. There again. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm glad we didn't take it to Dodge. The motherfuckers would have laughed at our dumb ass.
Boy.
They
would have told your ass they needed all new front suspension, and you would have came in there and tightened that shit up and been like, really? And they would have put it all on, and then you would have got it back and it still did the same thing.
They would be like, well, we don't know what it is. That's what would happen. You know that's what would have fucking happened. There's just a bunch of fucking dumbasses that work at dealerships.
That doesn't sound good, man. I get a flame? So it sounded like.
It probably would if you take the cats off. It'll shoot flames like a motherfucker.
Oh, yeah. Boy. Well, this is my last day with old girl. Getting ready to drop her off and pick up the new Viper. One last cold start.